bartenders, this is Akimba. I'm back to my YouTube channel with the new video, with the new lessons, and today I will show you the few tricks I posted before in my Instagram profile, but I decided to do here in my YouTube channel because the explanation will be much better, a lot of slow motion videos, and I will explain you step by step how I do this move. The kind of these moves you can use behind the bar, some of them you can use for the exhibition Flair, for the competition, and just for the Flair shows, for example. And also don't forget about upgrade all these moves and do by your way, because it will be much better if you're creating the sequence by your own way. And the first move I show you, then I will break it down, okay? Once again. I'm holding the bottle in my right hand. You can do absolutely the same if you're left-handed, just use the left hand. Yeah? And the three fingers controlling the tin, middle, index, thumb. And I'm just holding the bottle, you see, and can do this move with the tin. It's important for the beginning because right after we need to make the toss from right side to left and catch the tin. And if you will hold it like this, just a bottle, it will be hard to make a toss. So just make the control and just split the tins like this and do the one circle first, just for the imagine your way how you should throw the tin, and throw from left to right with no spin, just like this, and just catch it to other hand. Practice this first. If you do it well, you need right after grab the tin by ring and middle finger here, like this. So we're throwing from right to left and closer to my left shoulder when the tin is comes here. I'm catching here. I'm grabbing by my fingers. So, you see? And right after, guys, we go in with the flow. Next move, doing just a thumb roll. The thumb roll is just a normal thumb roll that you can do this. And now you just holding the tin and do the same. But you need to make the thumb roll and catch the bottle to yours grip in this way. So look, the bottle is go around the thumb, and right after I'm changing the grip from this way to this, and I'm just catching by the bottom leg. So from beginning, guys, from left, in this way when I'm go here, I'm turning a bit my body to the right side and watching this side. So 1, 2, and then look, guys, I'm turning the body on the left side. No, it's like I'm trying to present this move better. So that's why I'm turning the body, because I'm just show that I'm concentrate totally on this move and trying to watch this. So right after I'm throwing the tin from the one spin. Yes, and by inertia, bottle goes in this way. Look, and I'm doing like this move. So you can practice separate just this move. What I'm doing here, in this way, and then by inertia, I'm trying to slide by the bottleneck. So here, slide to the right side, and catch. So all together, catch, turning the body, thumb roll, turning the body, one spin to the next. Yeah? So the next move, guys, and the next I will show you the tin roll. Let's break it down. I'm holding the tin just in the middle, and first, if I stay like this on this side, I'm turning the body and trying to do this move from this way, from the right side. I just need to throw this tin without any turnings like this. This is the wrong way. You need to do it smooth, like this. Try to just practice the toss. The tin is rolling in this way, spinning, but it doesn't turn like this. You see that? Because right after we will do the main move. So you already know this one already well. And the next, guys, we need to join our forearm. We just need to we need to push this side of the tin, this side, not the middle, not the bottom, this side. So we just need, we will push a bit, and at the same time we turning our hand like this. So without the tin, the moves like this. I'm pushing at the same time, turning, and already the tins come here. So one, for example, the tin is rolling, and then we continue the roll by our forearm to the balance. So once again, first you just try to push it, and the tin must spinning on your elbow. And doesn't matter how many spins the tin is doing, just try to concentrate to make the spins. So don't continue the roll, just try to spin. And you see the tin goes by inertia to the wall. Look, I don't control even, and the tin goes already. Now it's the tin is did more spins than we need, but anyway, it also looks good. So I had the move in my broken Flair sequence when I competed. I did like that. Two spins and I'm just catching. So in the technique here is absolutely the same. I'm just do the more spins and trying to push it harder. So in our move we don't need to push it hard. So just easy. Also remember, guys, you can do this move with the glass if you want. Yeah. Next move, guys, and next move we back to the bottle tin and show you first. Let's break it down. I throw the bottle from the tin and just catch it between my middle finger and the index finger, and the ring finger in this way. So it looks like this. The middle is on this side, ring and index on this side. And I'm trying to catch it from left to right. First we throw the bottle from left to right, and the bottle goes with the half of the spin only, and we catch it. Practice first just a catch, Also remember about stretching the fingers, because it's important. It's an important thing to catch this move. So guys, and right after, we starting from the ring finger. By the ring finger, I'm push the ball. So I'm push the ball to this side, to the right side as well. So, and in this way, I'm just throw the bottle, and the bottle continue to spin. We catch it here, and I'm just throw, and right after the bottle is flying, I'm catch it here between my middle and index finger. But from this way, I'm turning my hand like this, in this position. Actually, the finger roll looks like, wow, it must be you. You imagine that you need to use all the fingers. No, I'm just using this start position and join my ring finger first, that's it. Touch, then continue. I think for today that's enough, guys. I'm waiting for your comments below about these moves. I'm also waiting for your videos. Post it and tag me in Instagram stories. I will comment as you doing something wrong or if you're doing well. Yeah, guys, if you would like to prepare for the Flair competitions, you need a coach. Join my online finger roll 2 Pro Edition online course. Use this promo code I'm drop here, and this is the -20% for all the offers. The link I will drop below this video as well. Thank you for watching me, guys. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.